Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to throw with left hand on Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first click on the setting icon here and then go to basic, and you need to search for an option called wait a second, enable left-handed tactical. So simply just turn it on. So what this will do is that it will help you throw through the smoke grenades and the tactical weapons with your left hand without using your right hand. I'll just go to multiplayer and I will just go to practice section here and I will show you, but it will not throw the grenades. I think it will only throw like smoke grenades, etc., the tactical weapons.